show you how to edit the exposure of an image in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Lightroom app and select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After opening the picture, we have to go into the editing menu here at the top. We can also press E to open this menu, and here at the top, this is actually ordered in toggle lists. We find light, and if we tap on light, then we get a plethora of different setting options, but at the top there is exposure. If we slide this cursor to we slide this slider to the right, then the exposure is going to increase, thus making the picture lighter, brighter, and if we move it to the left, then the picture is going to become darker, less exposed, even underexposed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.